Wolver Token Masterclass from Zero to Crypto Hero 4-Minute Ultimate Guide. Welcome to Wolver Channel. Attention future crypto entrepreneurs. You're about to learn what most people will never know: how to create your own cryptocurrency token from scratch. In the next 3 minutes, you'll gain the knowledge that could change your financial future forever. This isn't theory. This is actionable step-by-step instruction you can use immediately. Why this knowledge is valuable right now. The cryptocurrency market continues to grow exponentially. While most people are buying tokens, a select few are creating them. By the end of this guide, you'll join that exclusive group of creators who understand how the system really works. What you'll accomplish in this session: create a professional-grade cryptocurrency token, deploy it on your choice of blockchain networks, understand the key components that make tokens valuable, avoid common pitfalls that trap new developers. Section 1. Preparing your development environment. Open remix.eth in your browser. This is where we'll build your token. Create a new workspace and name it appropriately. This will be the foundation of your cryptocurrency project. Section 2. Building your smart contract. Create a new file named Token Soul. We'll use an industry standard template that includes security protections, ownership controls, future upgrade capabilities. Customize these essential parameters: total token supply, decimal places, token name and symbol. Section 3. Compiling your code. Select the appropriate Solidity compiler version and compile your contract. This process verifies your code is error-free and ready for deployment. If you encounter issues, they're typically easy to resolve with minor adjustments. Section 4. Launching your token. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Select your desired network. Testnet recommended for first-time users. Configure your deployment settings. Execute the deployment transaction. Your token is now live. You've just accomplished what most people think requires a team of developers. You now control your own cryptocurrency token with real blockchain functionality. Essential next steps: create liquidity for your token. Build a community around your project. Develop a marketing strategy. Plan for long-term growth and development. Limited time offer. The first 20 participants who message Wolver in our official Telegram group will receive professional contract review, one-on-one deployment assistance, exclusive access to our token growth strategies. Take action now. Bookmark this guide for future reference. Share it with someone who would benefit. Join our community for ongoing support. Start building your crypto future today.